Hello, another quick unboxing video. This time it's for the ASRock B365M Phantom Gaming 4 motherboard. So let's get it open and have a little look. It's not sealed, so probably won't need that. Get it out of the way. First thing is the manual. It's quite thick. It's because it's multilingual. I'm not sure how. Oh. That postcard for no reason at all. That's a driver's disc, standard sort of motherboard, mainly detailing the pins and jumpers and things. Here's some little tiny bags. What's in there? That's the various screws. I think that's the M.2 risers and screws. So a little bag of those. They're proper little bags with the little seals on them that you can open and close. IO shield, padded, so it's quite a nice, quite substantial IO shield. Oh, there's another M.2, little tiny screw in the bag. SATA. There are two cables, one's right angled. I'll just lift this up. Right, so there's nothing else in there. Quite a substantial box, there's nothing else in there, so move it out of the way. And here's the motherboard itself. They haven't skimped on packaging. There's a little foam surround. The foam is cable tied on, so I guess we will need this after all. So we'll need the scissors bits from it, so I'll get the scissors out just to snip the cable ties. I'll be careful with this, obviously. So there's one there that will snip, and there's one there, snip, and I've got one here. Here, snip. I think that's all of them. So now we can just take the motherboard off its little thing. It's quite a substantial bit of foam, but very nicely packaged there. And there's the motherboard itself. So it's a microATX. Mini ATX. So there's the board itself is quite a substantial bit of plastic there. 4 RAM slots. That's the back of it. So there's PS2, which can be mouse or keyboard. A couple of standard USBs there. HDMI, display port, USB-C. 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3, LAN, and then the usual stuff for the sound. So all in all, very, very nice. And there's an on there. That's a little heatsink for the M.2. So it comes with an M.2 heatsink, and there's also a cutaway there, which is quite nice because it's got the branding along the edge. I don't know if you can see that. Right, so let's have a look at the back of the box, see if it says anything interesting. I'll just fold it up. Not a lot really. Use polychrome RGB LED header, so polychrome must be the ASRock LED system. There's the spec there. I don't know if you can see that very well because of the light. Intel 8 9th gen CPUs. It's microATX. And so yeah, quite a nice little box. Quite a nice looking motherboard. Yeah, so any questions about that, stick them in the comments. Any comments, stick them in the comments. And thanks for watching.